Welcome to this tutorial on JavaScript events. So, you must specify the event string, and the event object can be aliased as anything, though it must be the first parameter passed. So we can use the e.prevent default to prevent the default event behavior, and we can prevent a form from being submitted. We can prevent a checkbox from being checked. Not a really good list of default behaviors. If someone finds one, please share that. And then we can pass a named function that we've defined somewhere else. This is easier to see than to explain. So it's typically preferred to use an anonymous function as a way to do this. E.target can be used to grab a hold of the element in the event which was fired off. This may not be useful if you have the listener on only one element, but oftentimes you may have many, and you may need to apply different behaviors depending on which was selected. So here we have the event object. For the event object, all other objects in the DOM are based on the event object. Therefore, all other event objects like mouse event and keyboard event has access to the event object's properties and methods. The prevent default method of the event interface tells the user agent that if the event does not get explicitly handled, its default action should not be taken as it normally would. So we can pass a named function into our event. We can take a look at a mouse event. The mouse event interface represents an event that occurs due to the user interacting with a pointing device such as a mouse. The events that we have associated with this are click, double click, and mouse down. So why do I care? JavaScript gives us a way to listen and react to things that happen to HTML elements. What do I need? VS Code, W3 Schools, Mozilla Developer Tools. How do I do it? Create a JavaScript file and follow the instructions in the next line. Take the example shown above and update it to get the time in years. Pause the video here and give it a shot. This will display the time in years. So what if I want to change an element when the user presses a keyboard key? Then use the onKeyPress method.